Hello, friends of the O Professor O1 channel. Let's transform our health together and open the doors to a better life. Take a deep breath now. Imagine a golden light filling you completely. Feel the vibration guiding you beyond your limits, connecting you to the universe. Pay attention and listen to this tip that will help your health. Medicinal plants are ancient wisdom in healing form. Herbal medicine, an essential part of integrative medicine, uses herbs like ashwagandha, turmeric, chamomile, and lemon balm to gently and effectively balance the body. They help reduce stress, fight silent inflammation, and improve sleep. When you consciously incorporate these gifts of nature, you honor millennia-old traditions and boost your health with the purest, most powerful tools available. Nature and science walk hand in hand. Law of attraction is prowess. Frequency is finesse. And health, yes, is beauty. Did you like this message? Share it with your friends. Follow us and leave your like.